Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a homemade reusable mask. I was gonna make one for myself anyways, so I thought it would be a good idea to share it with you all. You'll need a thin wire. This is an aluminum wire, but you can also use any twist ties you find, for example, from your grocery shopping, just like this one. Then you need a soft, thin cloth for filter. You need some elastic, fabric of your choice, pencil, scissor, your notes, some pins to secure your fabric while cutting, and a sewing machine. So we're going to start by cutting a piece of fabric which measures 7.5 by 15 inches. Then sew the vertical edges of fabric as shown. Now flip it over and use your pins to hold your fabric in place. Make 4 centimeter marks on either ends of the fabric. Now sew horizontally until 4 centimeter mark to create an opening for your folder pocket. Then take one end of your opening and sew it shut. Like so. Make 2 centimeter markings on the other end and sew it to create a loop to insert your wire. Here we can see that a pocket is created. Now we're going to take our aluminum wire and insert it into the loop we created. Once that's done, our mask is almost ready. Place the wire end at the bottom and start creating the plates of your mask. Use pins to secure the plates. Now sew both ends of the mask. Then cut 2 extra pieces of fabric measuring 9 centimeters and sew it at the ends. This will give a cleaner look to the edges of your mask. Now take the elastic and sew it as shown. That's it, our mask is ready. We have a pocket here to add a filter to your mask. I'll be using some tissues to show you guys how to use this filter, so you can always add any other cloth you would like to act as a filter. So this is how this mask becomes a reusable mask, because you can always change the filter, and this mask is also washable. Lastly, if you don't want to use tissues, you can also use a thin cloth and put it in your filter pocket, so this way you don't have to waste any tissues and you can reuse your filter as well. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys.